Hi, also in this video I want to discuss about the trigger course which was launched previously, I think in the May. Okay, so at that time when it was launched in the month of May, so those who have purchased that course, so whatever the candidates were collected there, so they all get the chance to attend the live sessions there. Okay, whatever the live sessions I have taken, and some of the recordings were also shared for the theoretical part. Okay, so now I am also getting the mails regarding the same course. Can I purchase this course? What will be the time of classes and all? Okay, so let me tell you that course which was previously launched in the month of May was ended in the July or the June or end of the June. Okay, so now currently if you will going to purchase it, then you will going to get the recordings of the session. Okay, whatever I have taken in that course. Okay, and yes, you will going to get to connect with me for any of the doubt you are facing in any of the scenario in understanding the trigger. Okay, but the live session will not be there as we have in the previously when the course was launched. Okay, so yes, you can purchase it. All the live session recordings and the other recordings are available there. All the scenarios are available there. Okay, if in case you face any issue, you can contact me. I will be there to resolve the issues and to make you understand the things. Okay, but it will not be possible now till I will launch another course. It cannot be possible for me to take the live sessions, okay, for complete triggers. Okay, in coming months it might be possible I can take another batch for the trigger or for the admin or for the LWC or for any of the topic. Okay, if at that time you will going to apply for the course, then you will going to get a chance to attend the live sessions. But if afterwards you will going to purchase it, then at that time you will going to get the recordings only of the sessions. Okay, and yes, many of you are also not aware about the course website, so you can check out on the channel also in the about section or on the main page itself. There is a link is also given for the course website, or you can check out the videos descriptions also. Everywhere the course website link is given, you can directly go there and can purchase the same. Okay, and let me know if you still have any queries or any questions. Share another video with you soon. Thank you.